Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.
Little girl by garden wall saw a snail so very small. "You're too slow," she laughed to say, but the snail kept on its way. Step by step, don't rush the climb. Tiny feet can take their time. Round the leaf and up the stone, slow and steady, on and on. Slow, slow, little snail, on the wall you will not fail. Step by step, up you go, small but brave, steady and slow. Little snail, little slow, steady and slow. Girl came back at end of day, saw the snail still on its way. Then she smiled and softly said, "I will try like you."